Then
5.7. In
then
5.7 we
5.7.
did only
Mhm.
one. Question 1.
Question number one we did. Yes, exactly.
And in
Exercise
5.7.
5.7, we have to do only question number 1.
1.
Okay?
Then in 5.6 we did 1 and 2.
Yes, exercise 5.6, question
We did
number
1 and 2.
question number 1 and
2.
question number 2. ઓકે, હા તો તમને કોઈ કન્ફ્યુઝન
Yes.
જ ન થાય એટલે હું તમને ફોરવર્ડ જ કરી દઉં છું. ઇઝ ઇટ ક્લિયર?
Yes.
Question 1 and 2 we did, and 3 I gave you in homework, if you do remember. Question 1, 5.3
5.6
beta,
માં
6, yes.
એમાં તમે ક્વેશ્ચન 3 હોમવર્કમાં આપ્યું હતું.
Yes, why? I told you that you have to
Oh,
recognize two different ways of a triangle. Side thi
oh
recognize
yes.
karo and angles thi
Yes,
recognize
yes.
karo. So question number 3 is also included
Okay.
in exercise 5.6. Then exercise
Okay.
5.5, question 1 and 2 we did.
1 and 2.
Yes. Exercise 5.5,
We did 1 and 2.
question 1 and question
2. 2.
2. Very good. Chalo. Then exercise
And 5.4.
5.4
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
and 7 also.
3, 4. Yes, 7 also. 3, 4 and 6 was homework.
Exercise, yes, 3, 4 and 6 was homework. Why? Because we have to
Yes, because
draw
we
and
had to
measure.
measure.
Yes, that's it.
Yes.
3, 4, 5 and 6 was homework. 7 we did in the class. Fill in the blanks.
5 was not homework. We did 5 here.
We did in the class.
Yes.
Okay. So question exercise 5.4, question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Got it? Then
Yes. That's it.
exercise 5.3 we are in right now. Correct?
Yes.
So 5.3 આપણે આખી કરશું. શું કામ નહીં કરીએ? ચલો, math the pair.
Okay.
Question number 1. Girls. Straight angle. Who will tell me what do you mean by straight angle?
Half,
Sir, can
half
I?
of a revolution.
Very good. Half of the revolution. Exercise
Thanks.
5.3. Very good. Chalo. Half of the revolution. Straight angle is half of the revolution. How do we get it? કોણ કહેશે મને?
Sir, can I say?
If this is said to be straight angle is this 180.
Yes.
So 360 નું અડધું થયું કે નહીં? So is it
Yes.
said to be half of the revolution?
Yes.
Very good.
Yes.
Then this one,
Right angle. 1/4.
of
1/4
revolution.
of
Of
Can I
revolution.
say this? Can I say this? What is here? This is half of revolution.
Yes.
Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Yes.
Can I say this is 1/4 of revolution now?
Yes.
Yes.
સમજાય છે? Now
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
acute angle,
Less than
Less
1/4
than 1/4
revolution.
of a revolution.
less than 1/4 of revolution. Seriously, girls હોશિયાર છે boys કરતા. Less than 1/4 એટલે acute angle આ 1/4 એટલું આવ્યું, બરાબર છે આપણું? This
Yes.
is 1/4. 1/4 થી નીચે હશે acute angle means,
Yes.
so less than 1/4 of revolution. Obtuse angle will be what?
More than.
Between 1/4 and 1/2
Very
of a
good. શું નામ
revolution.
તારું દીકરા? શું નામ
Dolly
તારું
Aisha.
દીકરું? Dolly Aisha is absolutely right. It is between 1/4. 1/4 is over here and half is over here. Are you getting? સમજાય છે? તો obtuse
Yes,
angle
sir.
હંમેશા 1/4 ને half ની વચમાં આવે ને?
Yes.
Yes.
Then reflex angle is
More than half a revolution.
More than half a
very good,
revolution.
more than half of revolution. And complete angle everyone knows it is of 360 degree, right? Complete angle no કોઈ option જ નથી. So we have matched the followings for the question number 1. Now this will be your homework. This cannot be done right in the class. We have to just classify, sir જેમ શીખવાડ્યું એમ protector place કરીને classify each one of the following angles, whether it is right angle, whether it is straight angle, whether it is acute angle, whether it is obtuse angle, or whether it is reflex angle.
Sir.
So first angle,
Acute angle.
Acute angle.
acute angle. If you place a protector here, starting from 0, if you measure, it will be below 90 degree. Are you getting? So first angle
Yes.
is acute angle. You are absolutely right. Second angle,
Obtuse.
Obtuse angle.
Obtuse angle.
it is obtuse angle.
Obtuse
Very good.
angle.
This third one,
Right angle.
Right angle.
right angle. જો કન્ફ્યુઝ કરવા કર્વડ આપ્યું છે, કોઈ દિવસ રાઈટ એંગલમાં કર્વડ ન હોય, રાઈટ એંગલમાં હંમેશા સ્ક્વેર જ કરવાનું હોય. અંડરસ્ટુડ? બાકી કોઈ પણ એંગલ હોય ને એને આપણે કર્વડ આપી શકીએ. બટ રાઈટ એંગલ હેઝ like this, it is straight corners.
Yes.
Understood? But confuse કરવા માટે તમને આવું કર્વડ આપ્યું છે જો, so that you can get confused and you may make a mistake. But by placing a protector you will never make any mistake. Are you getting? You will
Yes.
surely get 90 degree. It is right angle. બરાબર? What about this angle? Oh, sir.
Reflex angle.
કરેલું જ છે.
Reflex angle.
Reflex.
Reflex angle. Very good. Then this angle.
Straight angle.
Straight angle.
જો ઉપર,
Straight angle.
let me clear you, ઉપર એક લાઈન આપે છે, એંગલ બનતા હોય એવી રીતે બે જગ્યાએ, to make you confused, but they are showing the curve in the denominator part. Can you see? જ્યાં
Yes.
curve દેખાતો હોય ઈ એંગલ આપણે માર્ક કરવાનો છે, ઈ એંગલ મેઝર કરવાનો છે. Is that clear? So if you
Yes.
place a protector on a baseline like this, you will get what angle, what angle you will get right here?
Straight angle.
Straight
Acute
angle.
angle.
Very good. And the last part, this
Acute
angle
angle.
and
Acute
this
angle.
angle,
Acute
both
angle.
are acute angle.
Ac-
Our exercise 5.3 is fully done.
Yes.
Bus.
Yes, નાની હોય તો સર
Only
શું
2
કરે?
questions.
પણ નાની બધી એક્સરસાઇઝ નાની જ છે બેટા.
Yes.
તો સર શું કરે એમાં? ચલો. Then
5.
exercise 5.2. 5.2 માં આપણે કાંઈ નથી કરવાનું દીકરા, ખાલી એક જ ટોપિક કરવાનો છે. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ ક્લોકવાઇઝ 12 ઉપર કાંટો હોય અને 3 ઉપર હોય તો કેટલું રિવોલ્યુશન થાય, કેટલા ડિગ્રી થાય? So it is 90 degree. It is 1/4 of revolution. Are you getting?
Yes.
See, Anna, exercise 5.2 we are skipping right here. We will not be doing in the this will not cover your exam paper. Understood? Exam ma nahi puchai. Only the things will be asked is a nominal blanks from this. Barabar? Sums nahi
Okay.
puchai. Okay? Exercise 5.2 we do not have to do. All right, girls?
Yes.
Yes.
Any
Sir.
doubt? Ha, bolo beta.
We have to write in fair book.
No need to write. Exercise 5.2 લખતા નહીં, કાંઈ કામની નથી આગળ. No problem. only you have to just understand the element. અને ઈ જે સમજવાનું છે ઈ મેં એક્સપ્લેનેશન વખતે મેં તમને સમજાવી દીધું છે, and from that only there will be a blank or MCQs related to that. બાકી કાંઈ વધારે કાંઈ નથી. Understood? Understood?
Yes.
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 Then exercise 5.1. Even this is not important, but for the base explanation I have to go through. Exercise 5.1 પેલા કરીએ, પછી ટાઈમ વધે તો exercise 5.2 માં આપણે આગળ રિવાઇઝ કરશું. ઓકે?
Okay.
ચલો. Who will read this question?
Nine.
હા, read કરો બેટા.
What is the disadvantage in comparing line segments by mere observation?
Mere observation is what? Mere observation means what? Mere observation means નજદીકનું observation. Mere means આમ બારીકી ખબર ન પડે આપણે કે આ શું મોટું છે, શું નાનું છે, કયું થીન છે, કયું થીક છે. Are you getting? So what does question number 1 means? What is the disadvantages in comparing line segment? આપણે ભણ્યા યાર લાઈન સેગમેન્ટમાં ઓબ્ઝર્વેશન કઈ રીતે થાય? ખાલી ઓબ્ઝર્વ કરવાથી ડિસએડવાન્ટેજીસ શું છે? કોણ કહેશે? It may not be accurate, beta. It may not be accurate. ખાલી જોવાથી accuracy નો ખબર પડે. There may be a chance of error due to improper viewing. ખાલી જોવાથી આપણે accuracy line segment ની ખબર ન પડે. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
આ કોઈ વસ્તુ exam related નથી. This is for your base understanding. What is the disadvantages in comparing line segment by mere observation? ખાલી ઓબ્ઝર્વ કરવાથી નજદીકની લાઈન સેગમેન્ટ આપણે કેમ ખબર પડે? It is not compulsory. It may found an error for that. Are you getting?
Yes.
While viewing, it may cause an error. Question number 2. Chalo. Who will read this? चलो read करो बच्चा.
Why is it better to use a divider than a ruler while measuring the length of a line segment?
Why is it better to use divider than a ruler while measuring the length of a line segment? શું કામ divider use કરવાનું કઈ છે? Divider then observing then tracing paper, because divider is more effective. Divider એટલે તો ખબર જ ને સરે શીખડાયું કે ભૂલી ગયા આટલી વારમાં? Divider is what? Instrument. યાદ છે? બે કોર્નર પોઈન્ટ હોય છે જેના ઓપન કરીએ છીએ આપણે, રાઉન્ડર જેવું હોય. Girls, I'm waiting for your response. Rabia, Modesa, Ilma, Aisha.
Yes.
Hello, are you all getting my voice properly?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So it is better to use a divider than a ruler. We know because the thickness of a ruler may cause a difficulties in reading of her length. However, divider gives up accurate measurement. Divider છે જે એના pointer એ આપણે સ્કેલ ઉપર મૂકીને આપણે point out કરીએ, then it will give us a regular accurate measurement. Are you getting? સમજાયું કે નહીં? This is a theoretical part. It is not going to be asked in exam. Don't worry. But for your quite basic knowledge and understanding, these questions are important.
Sir,
Question number 3. हाँ बोलो बेटा.
સર આ લખવાની છે ફેરબુકમાં.
હા. Question number 3. Come on.
Can I read, sir?
Yes.
Draw any line segment, say AB. Take any point C lying in
Lying in between A and B.
A and B. Measure the length of AB, BC and AC is AB is equal to AC plus CB.
ચલો. શું કહેવા માંગે છે? Draw any line segment, says line segment AB. ચલો, draw any line segment. આપણે draw કરીએ. Draw any line segment AB. We have drawn line segment AB. બરાબર ને?
યસ.
Then what they are saying? Take any point C lying in between AB. AB ની વચમાં ગમે ત્યાં point લેવાનો છે. ગમે ત્યાં લઈ શકાય. It may be in between, it may be this side also. या અહીંયા ગમે ત્યાં તમે point C લઈ શકો. But point C should be where? It should be in between A and B. Yes or no?
Yes.
સમજાય છે કે નહીં?
Yes, sir.
Now measure the length of AB, BC and AC. હવે આપણે AB measure કરવાનું છે. AB એટલે આખી આ લાઈન. ઓકે. AC and CB measure કરવાની છે. Understood? With the help of scale. So તમને ખબર પડશે કે AB જે ટોટલ છે ને AB આખી લાઈન ઈ AC પ્લસ CB કરશો ને તો AB મળશે. તો જ AB મળે ને. So they are asking us, is AB is equal to AC plus CB? તો yes આવે કે no આવે?
યસ આવે.
Yes આવે ને? That is what the answer is. Yes. Answer is yes. AB and C is lying in between. See here. AB is 6.5 centimeter, AC is 3, CB is 3.5. So if you check out here, AC plus CB is 3 plus 3.5 is equal to 6.5, which is AB is 6.5. Understood? આવો કાંઈ મેથડ લખવાની જરૂર નથી. આ કાંઈ વસ્તુ નથી લખવાની જરૂર. Yes ખાલી કરી we can calculate AC is equal to CB by adding these two is equal to AB. Nothing else. Any doubt with this?
નો સર.
Chalo, if ABC are 3 points on a line such that AB is 5 centimeter. હવે આ એક મને કયો ચલો. What they are saying? They are saying that ABC What is the question? If ABC are 3 points on line A, BC are 3 points on line such that AB is 5 centimeter and BC is 3 centimeter and AC is 8 centimeter. પછી શું કહે છે? Which one of them lies between the other two? એવો કયો પોઈન્ટ છે આ ABC માંથી જે વચ્ચે છે? A છે વચ્ચે, B આવે વચ્ચે કે C આવે વચ્ચે? That is what the question is.
C.
કેવી રીતે C આવે? What is the biggest line segment here? AB is 5 centimeter, BC is 3 centimeter. So AC 8 centimeter છે. So total will be of AC. સમજાય છે? Then AB is of 5 centimeter. તો પેલા 8 centimeter ની આપણે line segment બનાવશું મોટામાં મોટી, which will be of A and C. Now B will be in the point where we can find 5 centimeter from here. AB is 5 centimeter. So BC will be what? 3 centimeter. So આ બંનેનો total હંમેશા longest line segment આવે. So longest line segment is AC. So point B lies in between. Point B lies in between the other 2 point A and point C. સમજાય છે?
Yes, sir.
સમજાણું કે નહીં?
Yes.
See the question number 4.
Can I read?
Question number 4 no answer 4 કહું છું. Line segment AC is the longest line segment. Thus point B is the point between A and C. સમજાય છે? સમજાયું કે નહીં?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Question number 5. ચલો. Verify whether D is the midpoint of line segment AG. Verify whether D is the midpoint of line segment AG. A and G. A is from 1 and G is at 7. Yes or no? Line segments start from 0, but they are not counting 0 at the present moment. We have to verify D. D વચ્ચેનો point છે કે નથી? A and G no. So can we say is it there or not? D is the midpoint or not, that is what we have to verify. So from
Sir, it is a midpoint.
it is a midpoint. How can we recognize? Because if we check out A to D, A થી લઈને D સુધીની કેટલા યુનિટ છે? AB 1, BC 2 અને CD 3. So it is 3 units. In the same way D to G we will check 1, 2 and 3 units. So the difference of both the units are of 3. A to D is 3 units, D to G is 3 units. So AD is equal to DG. A and D and D and G equal હશે? Yes or no? So can we say that D is the midpoint of line segment AG? સમજાય છે કે નહીં?
Yes.
હે?
Yes, સમજાય છે.
સમજાયું બચ્ચા પાટી? ચલો question number 6 and question number 7 we don't have to do, don't worry. We have completed exercise 5.1. Okay? Okay bachcha, and 5.1 is also it's a theoretical based. It is not going to ask in FA4, but you have to do that in your fair book. Okay bachcha?
Yes.
Okay.
सर आपने जो जो होमवर्क में दिया था और जो जो लिखा था वो आप ग्रुप में टेक्स्ट मैसेज करोगे ना?
अभी कर देता हूं मैं, डोंट वरी.
ओके सर.
Understand clockwise and direction wise. That's it in exercise 5.2. Understand clockwise and direction wise. Exercise 5.1 full, exercise 5.2 understand clockwise and direction wise, exercise 5.3 we did full, exercise 5.4 question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 5.5 we did question 1 and 2, exercise 5.6 question 1, 2, 3, 5.7 question 1, 5.8 question 1 and 2, exercise 5.9 completely. Okay? Okay.
Okay, sir.
ओके सर.
Okay. I already sent it. This
Yes,
to
sir.
our group. I am going to send you right now again. Chalo, do you have any doubt with this portion? Chapter 5 and chapter 10?
No, sir.
See, question number 1, check out what is question number 1 in exercise 5.2. What fractions of a clockwise revolution does the R hand of a clock turn through when goes from R hand એટલે only clock 3 to 9 જાય. That means if you check out here, if the clock is going through 3 is over here, right? And a 3 થી લઈને 9 જાય. So કેટલા revolution ફરે? From 3, if it goes from year to year, કેટલા revolution ફરે?
Half.
Half. એટલે તો હોશિયાર છો તમે લોકો. Direction wise, in the same way, direction wise, 3 to 6. Find the number of right angles turned through by our hand. 3 to 6. 3 થી લઈને 6 સુધી જાય તો કેટલા right angle form થાય?
1.
3 થી લઈને 6 સુધી જાય તો કેટલા right angle form થાય?
1.
1. 2 to લઈને 8 સુધી, if 2 to 8. નથી ખબર પડતી 2 to 8. ચલો આ 12 છે, આ 1 છે, આ 2 છે. I'll draw bigger one so that you will understand much more easier. સમજાય જ ના દીકરા? ચલો આર હેન્ડ્સ આપણે મૂકી દઈએ. 12. This is 12. 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 4, 5. It will be 6, 7, 8, 9 will be here. 10, 11. Okay, girls. Now they said find the number of right angles turned through by the R hands of a clockwise it goes from 3 to 6. હવે 3 ઉપર કાંટો છે, 3 ઉપરથી 6 ઉપર જવું છે તો કેટલા રાઈટ એંગલ ફોર્મ થાય છે? રાઈટ એંગલ કેટલા થાય છે ને ઈ ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછે છે. મોસ્ટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન, હા, બ્લેન્ક્સમાં પૂછાઈ શકે. Find the number of right angles turned through by our hands 3 to 6. કેટલા right angle છે?
1.
1. હવે 3 to 9 પૂછ્યું હોય તો કેટલા right angle આવે?
2.
2 right angles. Are you getting? 3 to 12 પૂછ્યું હોય તો 3 to 12 clockwise. That means it will go from year to year.
3.
And 3 to 3 પૂછ્યું હોય તો how many right angles?
4.
આવડી તો ગયું તમને, આમાં ક્યાં નથી આવડતું. Now the R end is on 2. If it is on 12 and if it is on 3, it is forming a right angle. Now, if it is on 2 and if it is go to 8, chalo, how many right angles will be formed?
2 right angles.
2 right angles. Why? Because each difference is of 30, 2 to 3, 30, 3 to 4, 30, 5 to 4 to 5, 30. એટલે 90 degree અહીંયા 5 ઉપર આવી ગયું. 5 to 6, 6 to 7 and 7 to 8. Another 90 degree on the right angle. On 8. So it is forming 2 right angles. समझ पड़ी गई क्या नहीं?
Yes.
This is what question 5 is. That was question 1. Only directions and clockwise you have to study. No half of the revolution, no 1/4 of revolution, nothing. Mota mota sums nahi aave. Okay? Girls?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any doubt regarding the things what we did?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
So chapter again I am repeating from chapter 5 mathematics. Chapter 10 is completely done. Our portion for FA4 is chapter 5 and chapter 10. Let me clear you. For blanks and MCQs, chapter 5 thoroughly from all the things. But regarding sums, from chapter 5, we did exercise 5.9 completely, 5.8 question 1 and question 2, 5.7 question 1, exercise 5.6, question 1, 2, and 3, exercise 5.5, question 1, 2, exercise 5.4, question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 5.3 again full, 5.2 clockwise and direction wise, right? And 5.1 completely. I already text you in the group. Please check it out. Okay, girls? Your paper will be very easy from chapter 5 also and chapter 10 also. You don't have to worry for it. Okay? Please revise thoroughly both the chapters at home so that we can easily complete the things and you can score marks. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, girls?
Okay, sir.
All the very best for your exams on Monday. Please, your homework is to complete your work thoroughly, both the chapters in your fair book.
Okay,
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Is that all clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Come on now. If you do have any doubt, please ask me. Still, we have 5 minutes more to complete the things.
No.
Rabia,
Yes, sir.
Sir.
have you understood, beta?
Yes.
Sir.
सर
हाँ बोलो. Sakina, बोल बेटा.
सर मुझे ये डाउट था कि वो ट्रू और फॉल्स वाला जो हमारी एक्सरसाइज है ना, ट्रू और फॉल्स वाली, उसमें एक ही क्वेश्चन है,
Okay.
उसमें एक ट्रू और फॉल्स में रोम्बस लिखा है ना, वो मुझे, मैं थी ना क्लास में लेकिन मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा इसीलिए.
Which one? Exercise 5.4, I think so.
नो नो सर, ये नहीं.
नहीं?
वो दूसरी
Exercise
एक्सरसाइज थी ना जिसमें आपने एक ही क्वेश्चन कराया था, जो ट्रू और फॉल्स की
5.7.
थी.
Okay, 5.7 true or false.
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ચલ are you? બોલ શું નથી આવડતું દીકરા?
सर इसमें नंबर डी है ना, जो ट्रू और फॉल्स नंबर डी.
All sides of a rhombus are of equal length.
हाँ तो वो उसमें रोम्बस है ना, वो मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा रोम्बस क्या है इसलिए.
Rhombus, जो square is what? Square is what? All four sides equal with a straight line.
यस.
Rhombus is one kind of a square, but it is not with all the sides properly. I mean, with the stable, steady move. It will be like this. Rhombus will be like this. Square જ છે પણ rhombus શું છે? In the diamond shape, or we can say kite shape.
ओके सर.
સમજાઈ ગયું?
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर.
All the sides of a rhombus are equal in length. All the four sides are equal in length. True or false?
ट्रू.
If square is equal in length, so rhombus will also be equal in length. ખાલી જેમ જેમ square steady માં આમને પડેલું હોય તો rhombus આવી રીતનું હોય.
ओके
Understood?
सर. यस
Any
सर.
doubt with this?
नो सर.
For sure?
यस सर, नो डाउट.
Chalo, our portion is over for FA4. Not a single thing is left and જેટલું કરાયું છે એની બહારનું કાંઈ પૂછાવાનું નથી. So tension નથી લેવાનું. The things what we did, from that only it will be asked. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Chalo, all the best for your exams on Monday. Do take care of yourself, prepared very well so that you can easily score a good marks. And maximum girls, I want this time to score 20 out of 20. Maximum girls. Because the chapters are easy. Only the chapters are lengthy form, but the chapters are very easy. Rabia, hard no